Okay, on the table now we have our tunic. You can see we've done the placket, I've done the pocket, see the facings, I've joined the shoulder, and I've also, after joining the shoulder, I top stitched the back facing too. See the roundness of the neck. This is the way your own neckline should be. Now the next thing is the sleeve. I have a long sleeve here, and if you have a short sleeve, you can go ahead, fold the hem and join it, but I'm doing a long sleeve here, and I have my small placket for the sleeve. Yes, the sleeves too have placket. These are the small placket, 2 small placket, and these are the 2 long placket. The dimension of this is 6.5 by 2 3/4, 2.75, and this is just 2 inches by 5, 2 inches by 5. Now I'm going to slit. You can see the 2 sleeves. I put it on each other, the right side on the right side. So now I'm going to slit it, and this is the measurement on this side. I'm slitting on this side. I have almost 6 inches here, so minus half inch that I'll use to join it. I have 5.5 left. So that 5.5, I'm going to divide it into 2, which makes 2.75. So I'm slitting at 2.75, and I'm taking it up by 4 inches, 3.5 or 4 inches, right? Okay, so the next thing now is to go and sew this placket on the sleeves.